Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ri, and today's video is my April bullet journal plan with me. This month's theme is rain and clouds, since April showers bring May flowers, and I have a pretty minimalistic style throughout the spread with lots of black and gray tones for a rainy vibe, so I hope you guys really like it, and let's head on into the video. I'm starting this cover page with doodling some clouds in the center of the page with my black fine liner pen, and I'm keeping the edges of the clouds pretty abstract and jagged to make them look more realistic, and I'm also making some parts of the outer edges a bit darker to give the clouds some more depth. Underneath the clouds, I'm drawing some scattered raindrops, and I'm using the side of the fine liner pen to draw some thin lines to show a falling down motion. This next page is a monthly calendar spread, and I'm making the boxes about 6 by 6 to allow for more space since it's one of my most used pages throughout my bullet journals, and March has been a pretty rough and stressful month for me so far, and I've been feeling pretty overwhelmed at work, so I'm really looking forward to April and getting a fresh start, and I hope that it'll be more of a chill, laid-back month. On top, I'm drawing some clouds going across. My next page is a quote, and for this month I chose a song lyric from Ariana Grande's Sweetener album. It's one of my favorite albums, and I love Ariana Grande, and the song Raindrops that opens her album is so pretty, and it's perfect for this month's rain theme. So I'm writing, "When raindrops fell down from the sky, the day you left me, an angel cried." I think this is one of my favorite quote pages that I've done so far. Okay, this page is a habit tracker, and I'm drawing 6 mini April calendars to track 6 different habits throughout the month. For this month's mood tracker, I'm doing raindrops for each day of the month that I can color in according to my mood, and I also made a space to write down some highlights of the day that cause my mood to be the way that it is next to each day. And I have actually been using this so much in March, and it's been really nice to look back on and reflect on why I was feeling sad or happy that day. So I definitely want to continue doing this in my spreads going forward. Now moving on to the weekly spread for the first week of April. Okay guys, here's the final flip through of this month's bullet journal spread. I'm really loving this black and gray rain clouds theme, and I hope that you guys really like it too. I'm definitely ready for some spring weather and for the days to get longer and brighter soon, and I can't wait to film some floral spring themes coming up. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you'll know when I upload. And make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will keep making more videos like this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!